Some interesting facts about Japan. Land of the rising sun. Japan's name, Nihon or Nippon, literally means sun origin, which is why it's often referred to as the land of the rising sun. Volcanic archipelago. Japan is an archipelago consisting of over 6,800 islands, the four largest being Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. It's situated along the Pacific Ring of Fire, resulting in a high level of seismic activity and numerous volcanoes, including the iconic Mount Fuji. Population density. Despite being relatively small in size, Japan has a population of over 126 million people, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Longevity. Japan has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with the average lifespan surpassing 85 years. This longevity is often attributed to a combination of healthy diet, active lifestyle, and strong social connections. Innovative technology. Japan is renowned for its advancements in technology and innovation. It's the birthplace of major electronics and automotive companies such as Sony, Toyota, Honda, and Panasonic. Cuisine. Japanese cuisine, known as washoku, is celebrated worldwide for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and meticulous preparation. Sushi, tempura, ramen, and sashimi are just a few examples of Japan's culinary delights. Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms, or sakura, hold a special significance in Japanese culture. Every spring, people gather for hanami flower viewing picnics to admire the fleeting beauty of these delicate pink blossoms. Shinto and Buddhism. Shintoism and Buddhism are the two major religions in Japan, with Shintoism being deeply ingrained in Japanese culture and traditions. Many Japanese people practice a syncretic blend of both religions. Efficiency and punctuality. Japanese society places a strong emphasis on punctuality, efficiency, and orderliness. Trains, for example, are known for their precision and timeliness, with delays of even a few minutes considered unusual. Rich cultural heritage. Japan boasts a rich cultural heritage encompassing traditional arts, such as tea ceremonies, calligraphy, ikebana flower arranging, and martial arts like judo and karate. Its UNESCO World Heritage Sites include historic temples, shrines, and traditional villages. These facts offer just a glimpse into the fascinating and diverse aspects of Japanese society and culture. Here's some historical facts about Japan. Jomon Period 1400–0030 BC. The Jomon period is named after the cord-marked pottery that characterized this era. It's the earliest known period of Japanese history, marked by hunter-gatherer societies and the development of rudimentary agriculture. Heiwa period 300 BCE 300 CE. The Heiwa period saw the introduction of rice cultivation, metalworking, and the use of bronze and iron tools. It also marked the arrival of the Heiwa people, believed to have migrated to Japan from the Asian mainland. Kofun period 3005–38 CE. Named after the large burial mounds Kofun constructed for elite rulers. The Kofun period saw the emergence of centralized states and the establishment of the Yamato dynasty, which would later become the imperial family of Japan. Nara period 710794. The Nara period marked the introduction of Buddhism to Japan and the establishment of the first permanent capital at Nara. It was a time of cultural exchange with China and the adoption of Chinese writing systems and political institutions. Heian period 794–1185. The Heian period is known for the flourishing of aristocratic culture, including literature, poetry, and courtly rituals. The Tale of Genji, written by Lady Murasaki Shikibu, is one of the most famous literary works from this era. Kamakura period 1185-1333. The Kamakura period saw the rise of the samurai class and the establishment of the Kamakura shogunate, marking the beginning of feudalism in Japan. The Mongol invasions of Japan in 1274 and 1281 were significant events during this period. Muromachi period 1336-1573. The Muromachi period was characterized by the rise of the Ashikaga shogunate and the development of Zen Buddhism as a prominent cultural influence. It was also a time of civil unrest and the onset of the Sengoku period, or Warring States period. Azuchi Momoyama period 1573-1603. The Azuchi Momoyama period saw the reunification of Japan under the leadership of powerful daimyo feudal lords such as Oda Nobunaga and Toyotomi Hideyoshi. It culminated in the establishment of the Tokugawa shogunate. Edo period 1603-1868. The Edo period was a time of relative peace and stability under the rule of the Tokugawa shogunate. It saw the development of a sophisticated urban culture in Edo present-day Tokyo and the strict isolationist policy known as Sakoku. Meiji Restoration and Modernization 1868-1912. The Meiji Restoration marked the end of the Tokugawa shogunate and the restoration of imperial rule under Emperor Meiji. Japan embarked on a rapid process of modernization, adopting Western technology, industry, and political institutions. These historical periods have shaped Japan's culture, society, and identity into what it is today. Japan is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, offering a plethora of amazing places to visit. Here are 10 must-visit places in Japan. Tokyo. Japan's bustling capital city is a vibrant mix of modernity and tradition. Explore its futuristic skyscrapers, historic temples, bustling markets, and vibrant nightlife. Kyoto. Known for its classical Buddhist temples, as well as gardens, imperial palaces, Shinto shrines, and traditional wooden houses, Kyoto is a treasure trove of Japanese culture and history. Osaka. Famous for its modern architecture, vibrant street food scene, and lively entertainment districts like Dotonbori, Osaka offers a taste of contemporary Japanese culture. Hiroshima. A city with a tragic history, Hiroshima is now a symbol of peace and resilience. Visit the Peace Memorial Park and Museum to learn about the devastating effects of the atomic bomb and the city's remarkable recovery. Nara. Home to some of Japan's oldest and largest temples, including Todai-ji with its giant Buddha statue. Nara is a picturesque city known for its friendly deer that roam freely in Nara Park. Mount Fuji. Japan's highest peak and an iconic symbol of the country, Mount Fuji offers breathtaking views and opportunities for hiking and photography. Hakone. A popular hot springs resort town located near Mount Fuji, Hakone is famous for its scenic beauty, traditional ryokan inns, and outdoor activities like hiking, boating, and hot spring baths. Kanazawa. Renowned for its well-preserved Edo-era districts, beautiful gardens, and traditional crafts such as gold leaf production, Kanazawa is a city steeped in history and culture. Takayama. Nestled in the Japanese Alps, Takayama is known for its beautifully preserved old town, traditional wooden houses, and vibrant morning markets where you can sample local delicacies. Okinawa Islands. A tropical paradise located in the south of Japan, the Okinawa Islands boast stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and a unique Ryukyu culture distinct from mainland Japan. These are just a few highlights of the many incredible places to explore in Japan. each offering its own unique charm and experiences.